Welcome back to another YouTube video.
What's up? Well, with this I do.
Bro. Oh shit, bro.
Me and that guy with the white hair.
Okay, guys, so basically, look at us. We're versing James. Where is he? James. We're at his house because it's his birthday, you know. It's James's birthday, blah, blah, blah. His 14th birthday. But we're at his house, right, for his barbecue. We're going to be versing him, okay? He's going to be in the pool with the water gun. We're going to be outside with the water gun. We are going to be shooting him. I don't know how to explain it, but it's going to be cool. No? Right, we gotta make a plan where one of us reloads from the other. Ah! Shoot! Get it! No! No, not this way, not that way. Oh! Tactical defense! Dude, you missed.
Oh, I blocked it!
Jake, crouch, try to crouch. It's like Fortnite, right? Jump, crouch. Bye. Oh! That one hit me! That one went right over my face! My shoulder is so cold! Alright, turn on the headphones. Alright, he's reloading that last chance to reload too.
What? No! Reload! Shoot it! Oh, no.
What's up, guys? Welcome to America. This is where people set off illegal fireworks when it's not even dark. Right, James? Flashbang. What?
I call this a skinny person incubator.
Ah.
I want to get illegal ones next year. I'll film and
Fireworks, am I right?
Oh,
Flashbang again.
flashbang counter. Where is it at?
Whoa.
What just happened? What happened?
No idea.
God damn, I just
I
lost.
can't hear, bruh.
Yeah.
I cannot hear out of this ear.
Bro, what just happened?
God damn.
Right out of the side.
Yeah.
I can't hear.
Bro, I cannot hear out of that ear.
It was exploding everywhere.
Oh my.
I don't understand what happened.
Don't light it anymore.
Yeah, don't.
Oh,
Bro, it just went flying over here.
guys, I legit just lost like half my hearing from that. Okay, I'm better.
I can it hit Papa in the leg. It messed his leg up.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I just got that on camera. Oh. Oh my god. I actually just got that on camera. Oh, I legit lost half my hearing.
Look, because they were blowing up over here.
Well, like I was
Up in
standing
the
right
air.
over there and it like landed right next to me and I was running. Like I even felt some of the embers go on me and stuff.
Really?
Yeah. I'm fine and stuff, but my hearing, it's just whack.
I couldn't hear out of my left ear. It's still kind of messed up.
Yeah, same. Dude, legit, some of the embers went on me and I escaped as soon as possible.
Look, Jake, I was standing right there,
and I saw like something flew over here and it just boom.
Bro, I was focused up there. Bro, I just got all that on camera.
I can't hear out of this.
Yeah. Bro, legit, some of the embers actually went on me and I had to run away. Yeah.
I was over there.
It was freaking like, I don't even know how to describe it. It was like a sting for like a second and I just like ran as soon as possible.
Yeah, I was over there, so none of them hit me.
I saw it blow up over here and I ran. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, as soon as I realized, I began running for my
As
life.
soon as I saw it blow up over there and pop in,
Like I was literally focused up there and then I had to run away as soon as possible.
just couldn't hear it, you know? And then I saw it and I like ran over.
It hit Lisa even harder.
Oh.
Oh my god.
And I ran away for
That
my
was
life.
What happened is like the first one it shot up, I looked up, I heard the explosion. All of a sudden my ear just went out. I turned around and there was explosions over at you guys and I was like, what the hell? And
Yeah,
then
I was just running away.
I just like ran over at their yard because I didn't know what was happening.
The thing that sucks is that like I was focused on the firework that actually went up. And
Yeah, me too.
I saw the flash come and I'm like, oh god.
That was,
They blew up right here. Yeah, they blew up right there and I was standing right here. Yeah, I know, I saw. That's not
Mark, I'm surprised you didn't get a bruise.
Yeah, a bunch. I saw hella things shoot at me in my ear.
Legit, tons of embers landed on my right arm. I got scared to
My
death.
ear hurts. Like, it doesn't hurt, but I feel it inside. It feels weird.
Mine's getting better. Bro, Mark,
Wow.
I would have legit gotten a bruise if I didn't move a couple of inches over inside of that yard.
Oh no, you and Ryder ran to that yard. I ran right here and they were still like hitting and I tried to.
Yeah, they were heading towards us. Another one went towards us. Oh my god. Alright,
Let me set off the fireworks.
that was insane.
I'm all recovered.
Wait for see if Papa is coming back out.
I don't think so.
Lisa's leg got
Neither
absolutely
of them.
destroyed.
They're like sitting there with big things like catching the ice on their legs. Then neither of them are coming back out. They're both not back.
And bad. Tons of embers actually landed on my arm. I got no bruise, but still. I felt the embers. That was so close.
Look, 2 times in one night. It happened to them and it happened to us.
Oh yeah, it did happen to
That's
them.
crazy.
I went shot at him. It shot him too.
Yeah, their spot in their driveway blew up.
The one here.
Oh, it hit over to them.
It is his daughter.
Oh, so we got us and them.
Bro, Ryder, I'm still shaking
I
after
know,
that.
I
I don't even know what to like think of that.
Look, you shouldn't
Legit,
have
I
left us
began
fireworks.
recording it because it was Ryder's first illegal firework.
Good thing you recorded that, bro. I need that for my video.
Yeah, and legit, it just blew up.
It was my first one and I was like, oh, this is gonna be cool, and it just blew up on us.
Oh my god.
I don't want any more of those.
I don't know, bro. Every time I hear an illegal firework, I get scared.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, I
god.
have PTSD from this.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god.
My daughter-in-law.
Bro, Mark, I legit still get concerned about bruises, but I don't even have any.
I know. I'm just worried about
Only
my
because
ear,
of the
bro.
embers.
Watch me wake up and not have any hearing in my left ear. Watch me go deaf in one ear.
My ear's gotten better. I can actually hear it now. Oh my. No.
Yeah.
No. It went so close to me, especially, and then also Ryder inside that lawn that I was just running for my life.
Oh, wow.
I'm surprised I didn't get injured.
I know, I am too. I didn't even know what happened. It happened so fast and
I know. I got it on camera.
you did?
Yeah. Because I was recording it because I was going to send it over to Mark in the first place because it was Ryder's first illegal firework. And then I was recording it, I saw the first one go up, I was recording that, I didn't see the second one come towards us.
Oh wow! I
And then that's
know.
when everyone was beginning to run away, so then I
look.
began following.
Stand like right there. Go like right there. I was like this far from you. You know, I was like right here, so it like just took out my hearing. And I saw a bunch come towards me and I started running, you know? I ran like right there. It was scary.
Yeah.
Oh my god. The fact that embers literally went on my arms.
So someone said it went boom right by my ear and right by my feet.
They like shot to us, they started exploding like at us, at our family. So
Yeah.
everybody got up and started running.
Yeah.
I was panicking. I didn't know where to
I
run.
got so scared because all I heard was a big boom and I just couldn't hear out of this ear.
Me
and
too.
I like looked over and saw a bunch of like embers and I started like running, you know.
Yeah, I
'Cause I had
got
no
up
clue
and
what
left,
I had no
too.
clue what was going on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was insane.
At least the most of us are okay.
Yeah. Emphasize
Feel
most.
bad for the people that got hit.
I'm probably gonna end up posting this on my channel
Somebody
too.
over there got hit too. It hit one of their backs. One of the
Yeah.
kids. One of the kids like hit her back.
You said his daughter-in-law. She must be older.
That's scary.
Yeah, I didn't know. My ear just went away and I turned. and
My ear's better by
explosions
now.
happened.
Me too. I could not hear.
That was.
Are you guys'
Like,
ears
way
still
deep in my
connected?
ear.
But
Yeah.
Way deep in my ear. It feels weird.
are you guys like still experiencing like hearing loss inside your ears?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little.